Hello everyone. For the past 2 years, we have been consistently providing you with the UPSC relevant prelims content. Our current affairs plus approach have been providing detailed background information regarding the news or any keywords in the news. This is a foolproof method for preparing for preliminary examination. We have also complemented the daily current affairs with our Neo IAS Super Hour, which has been provided in our prelims Telegram channel. Additionally, we have offered a current affairs plus classroom program, and we also have a very exclusive current affairs test series. Today, our current affairs monthly digests are widely circulated and followed. Our consistency has helped many aspirants streamline their preparation as well. So our quality ensured that many questions have come directly from our materials, which have helped many aspirants clear their preliminary examinations. So in their past 2 years, our current affairs program have been very popular and also trustworthy among the civil service aspirants. We are extremely happy and proud of all these achievements. However, today onwards, we will be improvising and innovating the program to be more learning friendly and effective. So you'll be noticing very small changes or a few changes from now on. One thing, we'll be winding up the explanation within 15 minutes. Actually, we are trying to make it high-powered and most effective. The second thing, we'll present the question from the previous day's session to sharpen your memory. And also, we'll be providing more images for a better understanding of the concept. So come along, let us be your most trusted knowledge partner. Keep following Neo IAS every day, watch videos, make notes, and build your success brick by brick. Hello and welcome to a day in 15 minutes UPSC Prelims Daily Current Affairs. So today's topic are Statue of Unity, Environment Pollution Control Authority. Then we have Nobel Prize in Physics 2019, Minor Tribes in Meghalaya, Bruce, Hindu Kush Himalayan Region, and the Third Pole. So coming to the first topic, Statue of Unity. Why this is in news? Because Statue of Unity is going to host Prime Minister Narendra Modi's event. So what is Statue of Unity? Right now, it is the tallest statue in the world. It is around 182 meters. So this is located on the Sadhu Bet Island on Narmada River, and Narmada River flows between the Rift Valley of Satpura and Vindhya mountain ranges. And again, Statue of Unity, it is designed by the Padma Bhushan recipient sculptor Ramvi Sutar. So see this picture. Right now, it is the tallest statue in the world, followed by the Spring Temple Buddha in China. The next topic we are going to cover is Environment Pollution Control Authority, EPCA. Why this is in news? Because you know the pollution in Delhi. So there need to be immediate action plans to be taken in 13 pollution hotspots in Delhi. Okay, so what is EPCA? So EPCA is basically a Supreme Court mandated body. It will be dealing with the air pollution in the National Capital Region. So this was notified in 1998 by Environment Ministry, and it comes under the Environment Pollution Act of 1986. So what is the main function? The primary function is to protect and improve the quality of environment. They'll also prevent and control the environment pollution in the National Capital Region, Delhi. And it will also enforce graded response action plan that is especially made for the NCR region to control the pollution level. And there are 15 members in EPCA, including the chairman. Okay, so the next topic we are going to deal is the Nobel Prize in Physics 2019. So why this is in news? Because Nobel Prize for Physics is being shared between the Canadian-American cosmologist and two Swiss scientists for two different findings, one for the evolution of universe and another for discovering a new kind of planet. So Dr. Feebles, he is one of the most influential cosmologists of his time. He realized the importance of the cosmic radiation background bond of Big Bang. And he also interrupted the first ray, and he told us, or he proved that the matter we know right now is only the 5% of the universe, and remaining 95% is unknown dark matter and dark energy. Okay, so what is dark matter and dark energy? The dark matter is basically the matter that holds the galaxies together. If not, it will be torn apart. And the dark energy is the energy responsible for the consistent or the rapid expansion of the universe. So basically, the dark matter pulls and the dark energy pushes. Okay, so see this image, see this picture. Here we can see that only 5% of the universe is a matter we know, that's a normal matter. and the remaining 69% goes to the dark energy and 26% go to the dark matter. Together, 95% of the universe is dark energy and dark matter. Okay, so the second finding was done by Swiss stargazers Michael Mayer and Didier Queloz, and they belongs to University of Geneva and were honored for finding an exoplanet, and the exoplanet is called 51 Pegasi b. So this particular exoplanet is a gaseous ball and it has been compared to the Jupiter, and they found it in 1995 at a time when no one knew whether exoplanet existed or not. So right now in Milky Way there are around 4,000 exoplanets. Okay, see this picture. There is Earth in blue color, this Pegasi b in orange color and Jupiter in yellow color. You can actually see how small Earth is and how big Pegasi b is. Pegasi b is very closer to its sun, but the Jupiter, which is it compared to, is very far from the sun. The next topic is minor tribes in Meghalaya. So why this is in news? Because 5 minor tribes of Meghalaya, they have been excluded from the 6th schedule of the constitution. So they, the organization which represent them have approached the chief minister in order to include them back into the 6th schedule. Okay, so the 5 minor tribes are Bodo Kachari, Hajong, Koch, Man and Rabba. So they are together called as unrepresented tribes for the nomination in the Autonomous Tribal Council of the Meghalaya state. So according to the constitution, the 6th schedule is meant for the welfare and advancement of scheduled tribes. But the new amendment which has been proposed will deprive some of the STs of their constitutional rights in their district council. Okay, so a subcommittee on the amendment to the 6th schedule have been constituted by state government, and they decided to recommend the standing committee of parliament about the removal of the word unrepresented tribes from the new amendment proposal. So talking about the minor tribes in Meghalaya, so most of the people of the minor tribes are Hajong, Koch and Rabba, and they follow Hinduism, even though Meghalaya is a Christian dominated state. And the other tribes like Sinteng, Mikir, Bayate, they are Christian dominated minor tribes. So even though Christianity is a mainly practiced native among Kharokasi Jaintia people, the second biggest will be Hinduism. And also Kharokasi Jaintia, they are the 3 major matrilinear community of Meghalaya. And talking about the 6th schedule, so this will be applicable to 4 states, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. You can learn it like ATMM, and they falls under 6th schedule, and this will give special provision for the tribal areas. And the 6th schedule is especially meant for the tribal welfare and advancement. Okay, so the next topic is Bruce. Why Bruce is in news? Because they have been criticized Mizoram over repatriation. So they are also called as Riang. They are one among the 21 scheduled tribes of Tripura, and they can also be found in Mizoram, Assam, Manipur, and they are special because they speak Riang dialect of Bru language, which is of Tibeto-Burmese origin, and this is locally called as Kao Bru. Okay. The next topic is Hindu Kush Himalayan region and the third pole. So this is in news because India is joining hand with China and Pakistan to gauge the impact of climate change in the region. So IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, along with the meteorological agencies of China and Pakistan will be coming together, collaborating to take measures against the impact of climate change in the Hindu Kush Himalayan region. So they'll also provide the climate forecast services to the countries in the region, and the program will be headed or will be under the World Meteorological Organization or WMO. So Hindu Kush Himalayan region, it extends over 3,500 kilometers and it covers around 8 countries from Afghanistan in west and Myanmar in east. So the countries mainly are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. And it is also the source of 10 large Asian rivers, namely Amudarya, Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, Airavati, Salween, Mekong, Yangtze, Yellow River and Tarim. Okay, it will also provide water, ecosystem services, and the basic livelihood to a population around 2.4 billion people in the region. And the water resource, there is a huge amount of water resource being stored as snow and glacier ice. And the cryosphere component, it includes permafrost, which is permanently frozen soil, and also the glacier lakes, and it will also provide the ecosystem services for the mountain as well as the downstream community. See this picture, you can actually see the Hindu Kush region being spread through various countries. And talking about the third pole, it is actually the Himalayan Hindu Kush mountain range combined with the Tibetan plateau. It is called as the third pole because the ice field contains the largest reserve of fresh water outside the polar region, that's the Arctic and Antarctic. And it also has the world's highest mountains, including all the 14 peaks above 8,000 meters. And it is also home to many different ethnic group or ethnic community speaking more than 600 languages and many more dialects. And it is also very, very rich with natural resources, and it will also contain the part of 4 global biodiversity hotspot. And discussing this topic, we have to include one more here, that is the International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, ICIMOD. So this is basically a regional intergovernmental center. It is for learning and knowledge sharing, and it will be serving the 8 region in the Hindu Kush Himalayan area, and it will develop an economically and environmentally sound mountain ecosystem. They will improve the living standard of the mountain population, and they will ensure a vital economic ecosystem services happening in the region to enhance billion of people living downstream. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you so much. Good night. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Follow our website neoiascap.com for detailed content and monthly prelims digest. Also join our current affairs exclusive test series through the website. And finally, participate in the daily current affairs prelims infotainment quiz at our Telegram channel Neo IAS Prelims at 9:30 p.m. every day. Thank you.